You're probably like, oh my days, Kat, what happened to you? ASO weekend. Right now, I am literally, hold on, let me get a better camera. Let me get my light. Is that better? Yeah. You're probably like, what happened to you, Kat? Why do you look so rough? Well, I am getting ready to go on a like 3-hour drive for ASO weekend. And I didn't have time to do my hair. So we're gonna quickly install this hair from Wiggins Hair, I think. Let me check the box. Wiggins. You know your girl loves Wiggins Hair. Like, I've done a review on them before. And they didn't let me down. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick install. And I'm gonna be trying Dola hair because when we go to Austin, it's gonna be hot. And I can't have my lace lifting. That just won't do.
Dola hair is a scam.
And I don't even know where my eyebrow razor is. I don't know where anything is because I'm all over the place. Like, I'm literally in my outfit right now. Look. An outfit that I'm supposed to be wearing, that I'm supposed to be packing. But I'm trying to do this quickly. I'm not gonna style this hair in this video. I'm probably gonna come back tomorrow and do that because we don't have time. We gotta go. We gotta go. But yeah, thank you so much, Wiggins Hair, for making sure I didn't have to blow a band on this unit. And it's so pretty and so long. Like, y'all ate. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna go look for my eyebrow razor because we actually cannot do this without cutting the ear tab because it's too big, it's too long for my hair. So let me go ahead and try to find one in the mess that is my room, which I'm not gonna show you right now because you're gonna be like, you're dirty. You're dirty as fuck. But yeah, so let me, so you see how the lace is already even like melting into my skin? I didn't even put foundation. Just lost my life trying to find this, but I need to buy new ones. I don't know, guys. I've just been all over the place. Like, I've actually been so busy. Like, having a life is not for the weak. It really isn't. Because, oh my gosh, the amount of money I just spent was actually atrocious. But yeah, that's too much. Thanks for being generous, but my head is not that big. And it's okay to cut your lace. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Okay, now that it fits good, we are going to try the Dola hair glue. I've already opened it before, but it's really okay. I just pushed my edges back so it looks like I'm like balding, but it's really okay. I'm even on 10%. Like, this is not real. Today's not a real day. The day that I've had, guys. And then, like, I just don't know. Like, who told me to pick this life? This is so cute. What the heck? Is this even straight? Prop the wig where you just put the lace glue and like press it down. I like to use a rat tail comb. Ooh. I really hope that this line is in the middle because I'm doing this in front of my camera and not in front of a mirror. And then I go ahead and band it, and I'm using the band that was sent to me inside the box. And I will be banding for an hour, just like Ekane said, because I'm not trying to have slip-ups. No. Okay. And now we wait. So I'm gonna clean my room while I wait, because my room is no one can see. Alright, guys, but I still look so pretty. Like, hello. Like, this is so cute. Like, I'm so pretty. Okay, guys. I'm back. I've changed. This is what the hair is looking like. Now it's time to cut the lace. And this is so chaotic, like I can't. This is like those TikToks that's like, get ready for the makeup, or I have 5 minutes to get ready. But it's actually like, you know, you have 5 minutes. Not even 35. Then I just cut the lace. Literally, where is it? Try to find it. You can't. Okay. There we go. And then you take the melting spray. All of this you can find on my showcase, by the way. And the hair link will be linked down below if you guys want to go buy it. Don't be asking me where'd you get the straight wig from, because I'm telling you all right now where I got it. All you gotta do is read. And then once that dries, I'm gonna put the wig band back on, and then that should be it. That should be the full install. And if it's looking a little white, go and add more foundation. But that should be it. Yeah, and if you want to define your middle part, I like to go in and add a little concealer. I'm gonna really style this tomorrow, so I'll see y'all then whenever I style it. But that's all for tonight.
The next day.
Oh my days, like, I just love a bust down on me. Like, this will never die. Guys, something about this freaking place is making my skin look so radiant. Okay, time to straighten it down so that it can be silky and nice. I don't know why I never went back to finish recording this video. Don't mind me, I'm sick. But the hair was really good, cute. Like, this is how it turned out. I even ended up cutting it and styling it in a different way. And I'm not gonna lie, I looked amazing during ASO weekend, so that was a success. Thank you, Wiggins Hair. And that's literally all for this video. Like, I don't know why I never filmed the natural. But thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye-bye.